Managing team collaboration effectively is key to running a smooth sales operation, and Salesflare provides an intuitive platform to make it easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage team collaboration in Salesflare so that your sales team can stay on top of leads, tasks, and communication effortlessly. If you're new to Salesflare, stick around because I'm about to reveal how this powerful CRM tool can help streamline your team's workflow in ways you may not expect. First, let's dive into Salesflare's team management features. When you're working with a team, the ability to track interactions with leads in one central place is crucial. Salesflare offers a shared inbox that allows everyone on your team to collaborate on email communication. This means that when one team member responds to a lead, others can see that communication in real time. No more double replies or missing important conversations. Everything is captured and organized, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Next, let's talk about tasks. Salesflare allows you to assign tasks to specific team members directly within the CRM. This keeps everyone on track with their to-do lists. What's really great about this is that the system will automatically sync with each user's calendar, so they know exactly what needs to be done and when. Plus, you can set reminders and due dates to ensure nothing is missed. As tasks are completed, the system updates everyone on the progress, providing full visibility across the team. Now, Salesflare takes team collaboration to the next level by offering activity logs that track each interaction with your contacts. This feature automatically logs emails, calls, meetings, and other touchpoints, giving your team a full picture of each lead's journey. For larger teams, this is a huge advantage because it ensures no one is repeating the same actions or missing critical follow-ups. Salesflare also integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, which makes collaboration even more seamless. Whether it's connecting with Google Calendar, Slack, or other software you already use, Salesflare centralizes your team's activities into one place. This allows for smoother communication and collaboration between departments, ensuring that everyone is on the same page when it comes to lead management. One of the key features in Salesflare is its ability to track team performance. You can monitor team progress through the built-in reporting tools, which show how your team is doing in real time. You can set up dashboards that display key metrics like sales activities, pipeline stages, and revenue projections. This helps you identify areas of improvement or success and make informed decisions quickly. For teams that are constantly on the move, Salesflare's mobile app is a game changer. You can manage collaboration on the go, update tasks, and communicate with your team no matter where you are. This ensures that your sales team remains productive even when they're not at their desks, helping them stay connected and organized. Finally, the user-friendly interface of Salesflare means your team can get started quickly without the steep learning curve. It's built to be intuitive, so your team can dive right in and start collaborating immediately. From managing deals to syncing emails, every tool is designed to make sales team collaboration easier and more efficient. If you're ready to experience all these features for yourself, you can start using Salesflare completely free through the first link in the description below. Not only that, but we've arranged exclusive bonuses to make your free trial even more valuable. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your team's collaboration and boost productivity with Salesflare. To wrap up, we've covered how to manage team collaboration in Salesflare, including email tracking, task assignments, activity logs, integration with other tools, performance tracking, and the mobile app. By leveraging these features, you can significantly improve how your team works together to close deals and drive success. Make sure to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link below and start taking advantage of everything Salesflare has to offer today.